Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. My name is Ben. Guys, we're getting rid of our 9 o'clock news wrap-up video, 9 o'clock Eastern, and around 9 o'clock on most nights, I'm going to be doing an update video for you guys. It's less resources. It's easy for me to do, and I know you guys want to hear from me, as much as possible. You guys you value our team, and we appreciate that. A lot of great, talented people. But going forward, this is probably the style of this 9 o'clock video. I think it is important for us to do. Look at my privacy screen. Well, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Wow. It's pretty important for me to do these update videos at night because a lot happens in the day. So we're going to be looking at a few stories today. We're not going to be doing like a market watch. We're going to be going over every coin. But of course, we'll tell you what's going on with Bitcoin. Right now, it's coming in at like 15.7, somewhere around there. It's struggling. It has gone below 16,000. I don't think it's going to be too long before we hit the 10 to 14K range. How low we go down, I don't know. Is it possible we've already bottomed? It is possible. I think it is unlikely, though. So Bitcoin not doing great. As far as the altcoin market goes, what's fascinating is a lot of people last week, reports are coming out, took a lot of profits on different altcoins last week. Are we going to see the altcoin market really tank? Strong possibility. Bitcoin right now hovering at 57, Ethereum at 1,100. Definitely looks like Ethereum's going to test that $1,000 range. If it goes below, retest 900, which was the low last year, or earlier this year, hit 900. That's not good for Ethereum. That means we could be seeing new lows for Ethereum in this market. Where $600 to $800. What a great price to pick up Ethereum, $600 to $800. That's fantastic. So the idea is we want to talk about the news story. So we got Sam Bankman-Fried, right? You guys know SBF. Do you guys know SBF? Do you know him? They are trying to kick him out of his compound in the Bahamas. It's called the Albany. Authorities there have told him that he's not allowed to be there. However, the compound where he is right now, the specific building, it's owned by FTX. So technically, they can't kick him out right now, which, come on, Bahamas? Kick that man out. Put him on the street. He's not allowed to spend money anymore. So the Albany's got its own grocery store. That's the picture you saw of him, out and about. It's got all this stuff. But the fact is that he's not allowed to spend money there anymore. They basically canceled all of his money accounts. Supposedly he is under custody, but he's still roaming that compound freely. So we'll have to see what happens. Now, don't fall for an ugly scam. There's an ugly scam out there that is telling you that Sam Bankman-Fried wants to give you all your money back. Now, this is more than just your typical Sam being delusional. This is a deepfake video. There's a deepfake video going around where they're showing you a way to get your money back, and it's a scam. So stay far away from that. You're not getting your money back. Also, guys, don't forget, we've got some links down below for you in the description. If you guys want to take part in our BitGet trading competition, I think right now we're in 3rd or 4th place. We're crushing it. Frankie Candles won the FEMEX, competition last week. So you guys make sure, don't forget to subscribe to Frankie Candles. He's killing it in that game, in the TA game, but make sure to go ahead down below. Got a bunch of links, link to the books down below, yada, yada, yada. Okay, last story, and I think this is very fascinating to cover, okay? Oh, real quick. Hearing on FTX, December 1st, from the CFTC Commissioner, Rostin Benham will be there testifying. And this is not going to be just a one-day hearing. There will be a lot of this. This will probably go throughout about half of December. So definitely be on the lookout for that. So want to point that out, FTX hearing. So last story I want to get to. There's a video, or there's a Twitter post that's going viral right now. It's got like 7,000 likes. And it's a guy who says he moved into a house and they left their Bitcoin mining equipment. That's how unprofitable Bitcoin mining is right now. They just left it there. Under $16,000 is not profitable. But even if you're barely profitable, depending on where you are in the country, you may not actually be profitable. There's a lot of factors that weigh into that. The overall price point, it's getting late. It's like 9:30, 9 o'clock. What time is it? The overall Bitcoin mining industry could be profitable at a certain price point, but your specific power could be more or less expensive. And that can make you profitable or not profitable on an individual level, of course. Now, here's what I think is interesting. We saw something very similar in July of 2018, which was only about 5 months before the bottom of the market. We're a little bit closer to the bottom of the market here, But you saw these same kinds of stories. There was a Chinese mining company, Bitcoin miner, that actually had tons of their miners washed out in a flood. And all these miners were everywhere. Like the machines were everywhere. And everybody was like, bottom. They're not even trying to replace them. They don't care that they're sitting out there. So, and I think in 2018, if you look at the hash rate, I would assume that was kind of near where the most unprofitable area for Bitcoin mining was during that time frame. Right now, this is the most unprofitable Bitcoin mining has been in quite some time. Now, what happens if all of a sudden these miners start shutting off because they're, not making money? Well, it's a very simple process. What happens is when miners turn off their equipment, then what actually happens is the hash rate starts to, or the difficulty settings fall a little bit, and it opens up opportunities for more people to get in. So if you see miners turning off their machines, that's actually beneficial for new miners who want to come in the space. So there you go. All right, guys, that's all I got. Don't forget to check out those links down below. We want you to sign up for our trading competition if you're a responsible trader. If you suck at trading, don't sign up. You're going to hurt our team. We're BitSquad. We win. It's what we do. That's all I got. Be blessed.